Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a brief market recap, then talk about what ECB President Draghi might say this morning. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my European opening market comment. Well, the dollar just keeps on rising as U.S. jobless claims plunge, housing starts soar to a high for this cycle. Yesterday's testimony by Fed Chair Yellen also helped the U.S. currency. She said that a rate hike was likely soon, meaning the December FOMC meeting. Moreover, she seemed unenthusiastic about the fiscal stimulus plans that are being floated. This is a big turnaround from her previous position when she stressed the need for fiscal policy to contribute to growth alongside monetary policy. It suggests that with the unemployment rate now about as low as they think it can go, she may be more worried about inflation than growth. That's also helping the dollar. Sterling gained yesterday on strong UK retail sales data. On the other hand, the yen fell as demand for safe haven assets declined. Oil and gold also fell in reaction to the higher dollar. Japanese Prime Minister Abe met with President-elect Trump and said Trump is a leader we can trust. Not much really came out about their meeting, but it does indicate that Trump may be backing off some of his more isolationist positions. That would also be bullish for the dollar longer term. Now, the schedule for today is pretty quiet. The main event will be the speech by ECB President Draghi. Recent comments by ECB members have indicated a need to extend the bank's quantitative easing program when the ECB next meets on the 8th of December. For example, Executive Board member Mersch said recently that growth is still hesitant and the inflation path is not sustainable, especially with regards to domestic price pressures. Now, Draghi will probably echo comments like this. That would give more credence to the idea that the ECB will extend its QE program by at least 6 months at the next meeting. In fact, that's probably the market consensus by now. The contrast between that stance and Fed Chair Yellen's comments from Thursday that a rate hike could well become appropriate relatively soon will keep the monetary policy divergence trade alive and probably push eurodollar lower. Draghi will be followed by Bundesbank Chairman Weidmann. He's perhaps the biggest hawk on the ECB board. So the contrast between the two will make for interesting reading. For an update on the U.S. indicators coming out today, please watch my North American opening market comment. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.